famous archway on Chinatown. What's going on down there? Welcome to Manchester on a cold, wet Sunday. I'm going to do a little vlog around, see what's happening. It's Chinese New Year, so there's a lot going on. Go and check it out, me and Sazzy's way. But first of all, we're going to have a go at this new burger joint. You know me and all of burgers. Burgerism. Just on Piccadilly. Just on Piccadilly Gardens. There we go, burgerism. It's not soggy. It's not got a soggy bottom. Nice, everything's falling out. Nice flavouring. Oh, is it better than Five Guys? I'd say it's equal to Five Guys. It was a lot cheaper. So, 8 out of 10. Time for a Sazzy's review. What do you think?
Rubbish.
What?
Rubbish.
She obviously don't know burgers. It's around 1:30 on a Sunday. If you can see, the gardens look quite friendly. There's no gangs hanging around. There's no junkies hanging around. Down here on Market Street, Chinese New Year, it's like Christmas markets all over again. Some music being played. Got proper setup there. On Exchange Square we've got all the hot food stalls, traditional Chinese food. Something's going on down there. Join the street. Wonder where they've gone. In there? Don't know. See where the police went? Right. VR experience. Hang around a minute, see what happens. So just walk around the block to see if we can see where the officers went. That's locked up, so I don't think, I thought explorers might have got in here. I think they might be. They could be in one of these apartments. Right, we've waited too long everyone, so we're moving on. Things to see. A city to explore. So the fire engines we've just seen rushing down are on Portland Street. Looks like they've gone into one of the buildings, businesses over here. Oh, one's gone in that one, one's gone in the other. So I think they're trying to fire engines. He's using some sort of infrared night vision thing, so it'll glow up if there's flames in the building. The alarm is currently going off in Gainsborough House on Portland Street. So I think they're leaving now, false alarm. We can still hear the alarm going off. There we are in Chinatown, we've got the dragon here. Was the Manchester Lion dancing team. And we've got some more over here. What it looks like they do, they go to different businesses and basically bless them. There's the famous archway on Chinatown. You can see there's a pair over there. We've got some more stalls.
Oh, they've got the cats here.
We've got all food stalls and different things. Big stage. Look at these. Got to go through that. Size of them teddies.
I want one.
What, do you want the cow?
Yeah.
The Highland cow? We're just leaving Chinatown. As you can see, they've had to put these here to stop hateful people driving down. The beautiful St Anne's Church. Turn around and we walk through this. Oh, we're going to slip on this.
Yeah.
Let's film the fall. I like this walkway though. See there, we've got another skyscraper going up. And there we have Lincoln Square and the migrant camp. Up at Piccadilly Station, we've got this amazing memorial to the soldiers. So there's a bit of mayhem here at Piccadilly because they've shut all the lines down. So everyone's having to get coaches.